Ready, get set, go.
Stop! Shame, shame, shame! Yeah. Shame, shame, shame!
You're never gonna break this part of me. My friend's gonna bring me around. Not still just about your hilarity. We will let you know the way we let it go. All hilarity emerges and let you pose. When you can feel the vibe, the way we kill them down. You can move around.
Wait.